Understanding a shade off in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, a shade off. This phrase is often used in everyday English, but what does it really mean? We'll break it down, look at examples, and help you use it correctly in your conversations. A shade off is a phrase used to indicate that something is slightly different, not exactly right, or a little bit off from what is expected or usual. It can refer to differences in color, opinion, performance, or other areas. It's a subtle way of pointing out that something is not quite as it should be. Let's see how a shade off can be used in various sentences. Color. The walls were painted blue, but the color was a shade off from what I wanted. Opinion. Her view on the matter was a shade off from the consensus. Performance. His performance in the game was just a shade off his best. When using a shade off, it's important not to confuse it with expressions that have a different meaning, like a world apart or off the mark. These phrases imply a more significant difference or error. Try creating your own sentences using a shade off. Think about situations where something is not drastically different but just slightly off from what is expected. That's all on the phrase, a shade off. Remember, it's a handy expression to describe slight deviations or differences. Hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to practice using it in your daily conversations. Happy learning!